Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see about a clean Android launcher setup like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
Download the Modern Theme Launcher 2026 from the Play Store first, and this is a beautiful dog themed icon pack and also the wallpaper and also widget. In the top you can find a pixel type, a date and time, and also the weather widget, followed by a music widget, followed by a Google search widget, and a super transparent black and white icon pack. So if you just need a minimal and also a black themed launcher, you can just try this. In second page you can find some of the bigger folders and also the icon packs. You can just place whatever the apps you just needed, and you can see the folder also follow the same black and white theme, which look actually great with the super design detailed icon pack designs. And in the app drawer you have the same options, and go to the setting option first. If click on the theme and just swipe down, you can find this theme on the theme number 7. You just click on the apply theme and you can just apply this theme, and you can get the exact theme setup on your launchers. And you have other more options like changing the grid, so which actually change the design of the home screen, which look actually great. You can just have a preview on the top. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.